my boo? It is your girl Stacy Boo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I have this cool look that I definitely wanted to show you guys. It's like a really cool beachy look. You know, it's the summertime, baby, so we got to do what we got to do. Get real beachy on them. So we're gonna be jumping right into it. I got a whole lot of things to talk about, honey, okay? But we're gonna first be starting off with the moisturizer, and the moisturizer that we're going to be using is the Hello Hydration, you guys. I don't have really anything new as far as product because lately I haven't really been getting anything. I've really been like studying like my craft a little bit more and like learning new techniques. But yes, next we're going to be jumping into primer. Once we start jumping into other stuff, hey, if I don't say it, look into the description box, baby. I got a lot of things to talk about and I might forget. So we just gonna get into this creativity and get into this vibe. So real quick, we're going to be jumping into the Mercier, and this is the Pure Canvas Primer, and we're going to be taking a little bit of this and putting this just on the face, and I like to put it on my lines, girl. You know I got little lines or whatever. I'm gonna rub this in real good on my skin, you know. But yes, boo, what's been going on? I just been really working like a lot, studying my craft, looking at new ideas. As far as personal life, I really haven't been even having a personal life. I haven't been able to like really like talk and, you know, do little stuff like that because lately my main focus has really been work. I know for a fact it's probably like, oh my God, like I need a break, but I think that this year for me is very personal. This year is very personal for me, so yeah. You know, we're going to be jumping into the Estee Lauder, and this is the Double Wear Stay Makeup. Now, y'all already know this is in the color Deep Spice. Like I was saying, I just really been chilling. I've really just been on like a vibe of staying focused and staying towards the goal. I'm just really trying to be all I could be. Like, I just really been busy, like for real. And I'm okay with that. Lately, I've been having conversations with, I know this look crazy, but we're gonna get to this, okay? But I've been having conversations lately, and I've been having like real hard conversations about forgiveness. I felt like today would be a perfect day to talk about forgiveness because forgiveness is number one, very hard to do. Of course, we are all supposed to forgive. That's what the Lord says. You know what I'm saying? But what I have learned about forgiveness, you can think you forgave somebody. Well, I know for me, because everybody be like, no, if I forgave him, I forgave him. No. I'm that girl, that human girl, that sometimes I might think I forgave somebody, and I ain't forgave shit. Okay? So, as entrepreneurs, you have to be spiritual. I feel like anybody that's making it an entrepreneur and they're not spiritual, I know you messed up. Because if you're not spiritual, this can tear you apart, baby. Only the strong survive in this, okay? It's a lot of things that I forgave that, to be honest, a lot of people wouldn't forgive. But one thing that I forgave is the person that murdered my brother. Real quick, I used the Born This Way multi-sculpt concealer, and this is in the color Butterscotch. And I know a lot of people be like, girl, you crazy. The reason why I forgave the boy for killing my brother was because it wasn't about him. It was about me. I needed to be free from it. You know, that was really hard for me to do. But I had to do it for myself. You know what I'm saying? I had to. I just thought that that was just a major thing in my life. In order for me to succeed, in order for me to keep going in life, I needed to forgive him for that. I needed to. And I did. Forgiveness to me means that you're forgiving the person for what they did and you're allowing yourself to move on. But one thing I want to talk about with forgiveness that people keep getting misconstrued, just because you forgave a person, that don't mean that you have to still deal with what they do. It's a lot of people that I was very close with that would do things to me, wrong things to me, and I would forgive them. I would forgive them. But one day I said to myself, and this is when I learned that forgiveness is forgiving for yourself, but at the same time, loving yourself more to not be bothered with somebody continually doing something that's toxic to you. You know how he is, the family. You know, that's your family, you know. You know how he is. You know how she is. You know, you can't do that. That's your family. I don't care who you are. I matter more than anybody. If you want to continue to do what you want to do and then think that you're going to continue to do it to me and I'll be a good friend to me, I'm out. You matter most. Just because you forgive that person, that don't mean you have to take the abuse. I forgive you. I love you. I wish you well. I wish you so much success. I wish you beyond. You know what I mean? Because I feel like you are, and this is with people, this is with food, this is with social media. You are what you consume. If you consume a lot of bullshit, you ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? What you doing? Okay, you forgave them, but that don't mean you're supposed to forget that it's a possibility. They might talk about you, or you might be in a downtime and they might not help you, and then they talk about you like,
girl, do you know that Shantae, girl, she down there, girl, she ain't got shit in that refrigerator. The shit is dry. You know what I'm saying? She trying, she messing with that guy. He a hot ass man.
People show you who they are. Even if, you know, you did something to somebody, like if we talk about like the other side, like somebody did something to hurt somebody and they really didn't mean it and they really want them to forgive them, I say never give up, but also allow them to go through their process. Don't force nobody to forgive you, because all you're doing is making it harder on yourself. I don't open the door all this time, and then you sit up here and you keep not caring that the door is open when the door is open. But then once the door is closed and the door is closed completely, now you all gun-ho and now you trying to kick the door down. No, let people heal. Forgiveness is very important. Whoever has not forgiven somebody yet, forgive them. Move on. Success is the best revenge. Don't hold it in. Don't hold it in. It is not a good feeling when you hold it in. You feel so much better when you release it. I'm telling you, you're gonna feel so much better. So now, since I have this base down, we're going to be jumping in eyes really quick. We're going to be jumping into the Norvina palette. I haven't jumped in this in a minute, but we're going to be jumping into this brown right here, and it is E4, and just warm up my crease. Put it on my outer V, brushing it on my outer V, and just warming up my eyes. But yes, you deserve to have somebody be there for you, treat you right, love you right. At the end of the day, we are human beings and words do hurt. And when people do things to you, it does hurt. Because trust me, I've been hurt to the core, honey. And I think that's just a part of life and a part of character and also a part of God building you. Because I'm still this loving person. I'm still this romantic, hopeless romantic person. That is who I am. And hopeless romantic, that means that I do believe in love. I do believe in relationships. I believe in long-lasting relationships. And I believe in long-lasting friendships too. And I take my friendship with everybody very seriously. And forgiveness is also being confident within yourself and knowing that I'm going to be okay and I'm not going to make what happened to me become who I am. But it also builds you to set your boundaries, because a lot of people do stuff to you because you allow it. You ever heard that saying like, yeah, you do it, but that's because I allow you to do it. Yeah, but you shouldn't even be allowing nobody to do it. What I want all my boos to do, because this is something that my mom told me that my grandmom did, and I think this is something that I should share. So what I want you guys to do is make a list, and I want you to name everybody that you love, all your girlfriends, all your family. Just name everybody that you love. And when you look at that list, if the first person on that list is not yourself, forget all those people that's on that list. And I mean it. Let me put my eyelash on. Hey babe.
Hey sweet, sing us some coffee.
Say hi to everybody.
What's up with the ass up? Yeah. Love you.
Love you too.
Looking good, looking good.
Thank you. You see my man, he fine chocolate. Suck him up, suck him up. Take no. I'm actually doing this video early in the morning. I'm very dedicated to my boos when I have messages, you know, because I love y'all. And I feel like we all done been through some stuff, you know. We done been through it, you know. But it's not what you been through, it's how you get through. You feel me? Like, and I feel like people definitely need to create boundaries. And people definitely need to love themselves first. because we could feel like we have to do something. Let me tell you something, you ain't gotta do nothing for nobody. And I'm also learning I'm not doing nothing for nobody, and I'm not being there for nobody that is definitely not showing up for themselves. Also remember, everybody is not your assignment. Just because they're your family or just because you've known them for a long time, that's not your assignment, boo. One thing about me, I'm not crippling anybody. Do what's best for you. Don't be staying with people and getting comfortable with being around people because they been around you for a long time. Everybody is not meant to go. Remember that. Ooh, this is coming out good, y'all. Y'all see it. You see it. What's all say? You see it. All right, now I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. This luminous setting spray is what it's hidden for. You feel what I'm saying? Now, since I did that, I'm gonna jump on Fenty Beauty, and this is the balm, because I take my hand, because I wanted to like hit my skin really, really good. You know what I mean? So I just tap that, like just take your finger and go like that, right there on your bone. And I feel like that's how I build it, just tapping it, you know? Instead of wiping it, I just tap it. Outline these lips real good. I've been lately like doing like this whole outline, like I'm trying to figure out what lip I want to do because I want to keep it chill. So I'm gonna jump into this. This is like my fave. This is the Tiana Teller. This is like one of my fave pinks because I don't know, but I like to get real pinky sometimes. And then I take Chill from Morphe and I lay this right over top. So we're gonna warm this face up just a little bit too. I wanna put this Mocha Mommy. This was the best thing. Do you hear me? Go ahead, Ray. That bitch. And I just wanna take some of that, kinda like soften my face real quick. My new blush has been this Morphe blush. I don't even know, but it's like a putty blush, and I just tap it like right here, and it's like it blends so good. And I love this because you can see it on the skin. You know, with our colors it's kind of hard, but you can definitely see this. And then I do take some and give you like that little e-girl setting spray. This is definitely the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look because I'm really feeling this like beachy vibe. I'm giving you a whole beach vibe, even with the fit, baby. Let me stand up and give it to you. Let me stand up and give you the vibe. But my boo, if you are feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you're feeling the vibe, you know, the talk or whatever, and you just feeling this vibe, make sure you don't forget to subscribe because this is how we do. We be talking real stuff on this channel. We chilling. This is the vibe that you gonna get. You gonna get some inspiration. You gonna get some realness. You gonna get some cursing a little bit. God forgive me, but you still gonna get the real. You feel me? You know, cause that's all I come from. You feel me? It's like, no, I play too much, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me grow. You feel what I'm saying? In makeup, I really appreciate it so much. Don't forget to keep God first, okay? And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.